This content is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Consult a qualified advisor before investing. Hello everyone, and a warm welcome back to Understanding Money. Grab your favorite drink and get comfy, because today we're unpacking one of the most powerful strategies for building long-term wealth: dollar cost averaging, also known as DCA. If you've ever looked at the markets and wondered, should I wait for the perfect time to buy? What if prices drop? You're in the right place. By the end of this deep dive, you'll understand what dollar cost averaging is, how you can use it to take the stress out of investing, and why it works for beginners and seasoned pros alike. Let's jump right in. What is dollar cost averaging? Let's start simple. Imagine you love apples and you buy them every week, no matter what the price is at your local shop. Some weeks, apples are expensive, so your regular budget only buys a few. Other weeks, apples are cheap and you get a whole bunch for the same money. Over time, instead of trying to predict when apples will be at their cheapest, you simply stick to your routine. By doing this, you're smoothing out the impact of price swings, sometimes paying high, sometimes paying low, but ultimately getting a fair average price across many purchases. That's how dollar cost averaging works for investing. You commit to putting a set amount of money into your investments at regular intervals, just like your Apple routine. Buying more shares when prices drop and fewer when prices rise, so you build your position while minimizing the risk of bad timing. This removes the stress of trying to guess market highs and lows, just steady progress 1 week or month at a time. That's the essence of dollar cost averaging. DCA means investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, say monthly or weekly, regardless of what's happening in the market. You might buy more shares when prices are low, fewer when prices are high, but your investment keeps rolling. Think of it as setting and forgetting your way to wealth. The power of routine. Why we need DCA? Have you ever tried to time the market? Maybe you waited for a dip and bought in, only to see prices fall even further. Or you missed out on a big rally, kicking yourself for staying on the sidelines. The truth is, even the world's top investors struggle to time the market consistently. Dollar cost averaging sidesteps this trap. Instead of worrying about swings, you harness the power of routine. Every paycheck, a small slice of your money, jumps into your investments. That patience and consistency is the real secret to becoming a successful investor. How dollar cost averaging works in practice, let's see DCA in action. Imagine you commit $100 per month to a stock. Here's how it might play out over 4 months. Month 1. The stock price is $10, so you buy 10 shares. Month 2. Stock price drops to $5, so you buy 20 shares. Month 3. Stock price jumps to $20, so you buy 5 shares. Month 4. Stock price settles at $10, so you buy 10 shares. After 4 months, you've invested $400 and bought 45 shares. Your average cost per share? $8.88, less than the stock's current price in 3 out of 4 months. Without stress, you've picked up shares at a healthy average cost. Why does DCA work so well? Let's get real. Humans are emotional creatures. Markets drop and our brains scream sell, they soar, and we think, I gotta get in now. DCA fights those instincts. Beats FOMO. You're not chasing the hot tips or timing rallies. You're calmly buying in, rain or shine. Avoids panic selling. Downturns are when DCA is secretly strongest, because your regular contribution buys more shares at low prices. Removes guesswork, no agonizing over charts or headlines. You automate, invest, and relax. It's kind of like going to the gym. You don't need the perfect day or weather, you just show up. And that routine builds results over time. The math behind the magic: volatility and compound growth. Here's a wild fact. Periods of volatility, think wild price swings, can actually help your results with DCA. Every time prices dip, you buy more for your money. When the market rebounds, those extra shares explode in value. Now add in compounding. The dividends, interest, or growth on your investments pile up, and you're buying more every paycheck. DCA plus compounding is like a supercharged wealth-building engine. Why do beginners and the pro investors love DCA? Let's list some reasons. Easy to start, no background in finance required. Apps, brokers, and the robo-advisors make monthly investing as simple as setting up a Netflix subscription. Fits any budget. Whether it's $10 or $1,000 per month, DCA adapts to where you are. Works worldwide. DCA applies to stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, crypto, with caution, bonds. The process doesn't change. Investing gets less intimidating when doing the right thing is automatic. What are the downsides to DCA? Let's keep it real. No strategy is perfect. During big uptrends, if markets are climbing relentlessly, lump sum investing, putting it all in at once, can give slightly better results. Discipline needed. Skipping contributions cancels out the benefit. Set up auto deposits so you don't forget. Fees. If your broker charges per trade, lots of small purchases can add up. Look for no-fee options or platforms. DCA isn't magic, but for most of us, it's more reliable, especially when emotions get loud. Your step-by-step dollar-cost averaging action plan. Let's get you started. Pick your product. Target a broad market ETF, index fund, or diversified stock portfolio. VOO, S&P 500 ETF, VTI, or your home market's equivalent. Set your amount. Decide what you're comfortable investing each month. It could be $25 or $250. Consistency is the key. Automate deposits and purchases. Use your broker's auto-invest feature or schedule calendar reminders. Ignore the noise. Don't check prices every hour. Trust your process and focus on the long game. Review annually. Once or twice a year, check your total contributions, dividends, and review your investment mix. Adjust if your goals or income change. Remember, the hardest part of investing is starting. Dollar cost averaging makes starting almost effortless. Real-life examples and case study. Let's meet Taylor. 15 years ago, Taylor started investing $100 every month in a broad market index. Taylor never tried to time the market. Through recessions, rallies, and headlines, those deposits kept flowing. Fast forward to today, Taylor's account grew to over $35,000, all from steady contributions and the gentle boost of compounding. Taylor didn't have insider tips, didn't panic when prices fell, and never got greedy during the boom. That's the power of showing up, month in and month out. Advanced DCA strategies, slight tweaks for the more serious investor. If you want to get fancy, here's what the pros do. Increase contributions gradually. As your income rises, up your monthly investment by 5 to 10% per year. Add lump sums during big market drops. When headlines scream crash, sprinkle in a little extra cash, but never stop your regular DCA. Blend with rebalancing. Sometimes your portfolio drifts. Each year, rebalance to your targets while continuing DCA. DCA works best when combined with diversification and patience. DCA mistakes to avoid. Stopping during downturns. The best benefits happen when investing through rough patches. Chasing hot stocks. DCA is meant for broad market assets, not trying to guess winners. Overthinking. Automation beats emotion every time. If you ever feel the urge to do something drastic, remember, your steady, boring investments are working in the background. Dollar cost averaging in retirement and beyond. What about when you're ready to retire or cash out? Many retirees flip DCA on its head. They withdraw fixed monthly amounts, selling a set dollar value rather than specific shares. This smooths out income and avoids selling too much when prices drop. The beauty of DCA is it's as useful in withdrawal as it is in accumulation. Dollar cost averaging for crypto and alternatives. Can you DCA with Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other digital assets? Absolutely, and especially given their wild swings. Just use a smaller budget, understand the risks, and never go all in on speculative stuff. For real estate, peer-to-peer lending, or alternatives, DCA can mean monthly contributions to platforms or funds, making big, intimidating investments approachable. Your long-term wealth plan. Imagine yourself 10, 20, even 30 years down the line. Every month, your investments quietly grow in the background. No drama, just wealth building on autopilot. And the security of knowing you're shaping your future. Whether you're investing for a down payment, retirement, college, or freedom, dollar cost averaging is your best friend. Let's wrap it up. Your community challenge. I want to hear from you. Have you tried dollar cost averaging? What results have you seen? Drop a comment with your DCA story, biggest market temptation, or even the time you felt proud for sticking to the plan. If you found this guide useful, hit like, subscribe for weekly investing deep dives, and share this with a friend trying to find the perfect buy moment. Remember, perfect timing isn't real, but perfect consistency is. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and does not count as financial advice. Always do your own research or speak to a licensed professional before making investing decisions. Thanks for watching, and here's to building wealth, one steady step at a time.